Hello students. How are you today? Welcome back, English class of grade 4. Are you ready? Now, here we go. Family and friends. Grade 4. Unit 9, What's the fastest animal in the world? Lesson 4, Phonics. Let's review. Look at the table below. Ask and answer. What's the slowest animal? It's a monkey. What's the biggest fruit? It's a melon. What's the fastest transportation? It's a plane. What's the tallest animal? It's a giraffe. What's the smallest country? It's Vietnam. Open your student book. Page 67. Lesson 4, Phonics.
Listening 84. Listen and point.
Rain. Train. Monday. Tray. Case. Race. Case. Race. Rain. Monday. Tray. Train.
Listen and repeat.
Rain. Train. Monday. Tray. Case. Race.
Listening 85. Listen and chant. It's Monday today, and I can play. Outside there's rain, but I'm in with my trains. I open my case, and the trains have a race. Listening 85. Listen and chant. It's Monday today, and I can play. Outside there's rain, but I'm in with my trains. I open my case, and the trains have a race.
Now, take out your pencil. Read the chant again, and circle the words with I, and A. You have 3 minutes to circle. Let's go. Are you finished? Let's me check the answer. It's Monday today, and I can play. We circle Monday, today and play. Outside there's rain. But I'm in with my train. We circle the words rain and train. I open my case. The trains have a race. Circle the word case, train, and the last one is race.